Getting a table. Hi, do you have a table for two? How long is the wait? Do you have outdoor seating? Can we sit at the bar? Is there a wait list? Can I see a menu, please? Do you have a menu in English? What are today's specials? Could we get a table by the window? Do you have a kids menu? Placing an order. Can we order when you have a moment? I'll have the cheeseburger with a Coke, please. Could I get a cup of coffee? I'd like the steak, medium rare. Do you have any vegetarian options? What do you recommend? Does this come with a side? Can I get the dressing on the side? Can I have this without onions? Is this spicy? Making requests and asking for extras. Could I get some water, please? Could you bring us some extra napkins? Can I get some more ketchup? Sorry, but is it too late to change my order? Could you make this less spicy? Could I get some ice in my drink? Can I have an extra plate? Do you have hot sauce? Could I get a straw? Can I have a lemon wedge for my water? During the meal. Well, this is really good. Everything tastes great. Thanks. Excuse me, my food is cold. I think there's been a mix-up with my order. Could I get a fork, please? This is amazing. Sorry, but I think I got the wrong dish. Can I get a refill on my drink? Would you mind bringing some salt and pepper? Wow, the portion is bigger than I expected. Paying the bill and leaving. Could we get the check, please? Do you take credit cards? Is the service charge included? Can we split the check? Do you take cash only? Can I get a receipt, please? Is tip included? Thanks. Everything was delicious. Where's the restroom? We'll definitely be back. Takeout and delivery. Could I get this to go? I'd like to order something for takeout. Do you guys do delivery? How long will that take? Could I get a bag, please? Can I place an order online? Is there a minimum order for delivery? Do you offer contactless pickup? Can I add a drink to my takeout order? Do you have a rewards program?